This kid's move. Triple deep. Love stuff. It's very good. When did you get sticks then? He's fancy. A little glove.
Henderson Price moves Bombay has gone to his bench. He's sending out Julie Gaffney to replace Goldberg. She'll face Gunnar Stahl. I don't know about this move by Bombay. Putting in a cold goaltender to face the leading scorer in the tournament. But hang on to your hat. Here we go. Julie the Cat Gaffney stops Gunnar Stahl. The USA wins.
That's 1, 2, 3.
You lost. You lost it for yourself. Let's go take our hat.
Thanks, Gunnar.
Good job. Thanks, Wolf. We'll see you again.